What's up guys, I've got a quick video here for you on how to cut and install mitered porcelain. Now when you're building a shower, tiling a shower, when you have an outside corner such as a shampoo niche or a bench or a curb or a pony wall, you have to cover the cut edge on the porcelain. Now there's a few options to do that. You can order matching bullnose or matching quarter round that matches the porcelain to cover the cut edge. You also can use a profile like a Schluter Rondeck or a Schluter Jolly profile to cover that cut edge. Now, there's another option if you want to avoid having any sort of trim and you want it to look very clean and you want tight joints. What you can do is miter cut the porcelain and butt it up just like this. So here's a shower that we just wrapped up. Here's the niche. As you can see, it looks super clean. You've got a very tight grout joint here. This is miter cut, this is miter cut, here, 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 and the left side as well. It gives it a very clean, maintenance-free look. And what I'll do is mock up a little niche and show you guys how to cut the tile and install the tile so that you can get an outcome just like this. What's up guys, let's mock up this niche, show you how to miter cut porcelain for a clean, tight miter look. Here we go. All right guys, so here's our mock-up framed niche square. Let's install some backer board and get right to mitering some porcelain tile for this niche. Here we go. Here is the tile that we're gonna use, 12 by 24 inch hard porcelain tile for our mitered porcelain niche. All right guys, niche is complete. Now keep in mind this is not a video on how to build a niche. I quickly mocked this up specifically for this video. Let's get to mitering some porcelain and install the mitered porcelain for this niche. Here we go. All right, time to cut some tile. Now keep in mind when you miter porcelain, you want to cut right below the porcelain glaze, about a 32nd of an inch. So to rip a long 12 by 24 like this, set your saw to a 45-degree miter, lay it on the table upside down. Now keep in mind you want to keep a close eye on this corner here. Make sure you're not cutting the glaze off. You want to cut right before the glaze. Let's show you how to do that right now. And there you go. Now keep in mind guys, you need a good 10-inch wet tile saw blade for this. We have a fairly new P4. I could have cut off a little more, but I think that'll do for demonstration purposes. Looks like there's about a 1/16 inch of glaze here. So this is piece 1 for the top. Let's cut the bottom, the sides, and the perimeter of the shelf. Here we go. Now for the sides of the niche, the left and right sides of the niche, you're gonna need a factory on the left side and you're gonna have a cut end here on the edge of the niche. So what you do is simple. Try to get it to Have that factory bevel. Use a diamond hand pad just like this. It's a 60 grit. Smooth out that cut edge so that it looks like a factory edge with a nice smooth bevel just like that. After you do that, then you miter cut this side here. All right, we have our mitered wall tile for the top, bottom, and sides. Let's install that and then pull measurements and install the back and the perimeter of the niche. Here we go. Now, in order to hold all these tiles up, I'm going to insert some screws at the bottom here. Using LevTech to hold all this together. Now you cut the perimeter of the shelf just like that. Installing the top and bottom. All right, guys, the niche is complete. Now keep in mind, I rushed this just for demonstration purposes. When you're installing a porcelain mitered niche, take your time, make sure your cuts are clean, make sure the joints are tight. But all in all, as you can see, It gives it a much cleaner look. If you don't have quarter round or bull nose for your trim or any kind of profile like a Schluter, Rondeck, or Jolly, gives it a much more seamless look. And it's just another alternative to trim. A porcelain mitered niche. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.